Atithi Devo Bhava. Hospitality is a cornerstone of our tradition and it's what makes us stand out across the globe. For us, guests are equivalent to God. To embody this cherished value, we are delighted to present a dance that extends a heartfelt welcome to each one of you and invites you to join in the festivities.
Ladies and gentlemen, let this welcome dance be a symphony of colors, a dance of emotions, and a vibrant celebration of our hospitality. So sit back, relax, and let the rhythm of this performance resonate with the beat of your heart.
దాగిన వాన చినుకులుగా జారుకుంటూ వెండి మప్పులో ఒదిగిన వెన్నెల తునకలుగా తడుకుమంటూ నిండు మప్పులో దాగిన వాన చినుకులుగా జారుకుంటూ సిరి ఊపల నవ్వులన్నీ శ్రీ ప్రకాశ్ చేరుకుంటే ఆనందపు సాగరాలి మా మదిలో పొంగుతుంటే సిరి మల్లితో సిరిలోన చిగురించి మంచు ముత్యము మా మనసై పరిమళించి అందరినీ స్వాగతించి Sri Prakash, we welcome you to Aroma, a joyful hangama. We welcome you to Sri Prakash, our wisdom winner Sri Prakash. We welcome you to Aroma, a joyful hangama. Vendi mappulo odigina vennela tunakaluga tadukumantu, indu mappulo dagina vaana chinuguluga jaarukuntu. Vendi mappulo odigina vennela tunakaluga tadukumantu, indu mappulo dagina vaana chinuguluga మంచితనాలు మాలో పెంచే ధన్యభూమి స్థలము భావి ప్రగతికి బాటలు వేసే పుణ్యభూమి పురము ఈ పురములో ఈ నందనం మా చదువులమ్మ గుడిగా ఈ వేళలో మీ రాకమాకు ఆ తల్లి ఆశీసుగా We welcome you to Sri Prakash, our wisdom winner Sri Prakash. We welcome you to Aroma, a joyful hangama. We welcome you to Sri Prakash, our wisdom winner Sri Prakash. We welcome you to Aroma, a joyful hangama. జాగింగ్ చేస్తూ సూర్యుడికి హలో చెప్పి వస్తాం చిరునవ్వులతో చంద్రుడికి షేక్ హ్యాండ్ ఇస్తాం కాగితాలతో రాకెట్ చేస్తూ కలలెన్నో కంటాం రాకెట్ బడితో కవితలోనికి దూసుకుపోతూ ఉంటాం అమ్మ చెప్పిన బ్రహ్మ చెప్పిన అందరితో మా సావాసం ఆనందం ఆహ్లాదం మేమందరికీ పంచేస్తాం We welcome you to Sri Prakash, our wisdom winner Sri Prakash. We welcome you to Aroma, a joyful hangama. We welcome you to Sri Prakash, our wisdom winner Sri Prakash. We welcome you to Aroma, a joyful hangama. గూగుల్ స్కాలర్ కో ఐఐటి తోడుగా మాతో ఉంటే పాఠాలన్నీ ప్లాస్మా ఎదలో కొలువై క్లాసులో ఉంటే ఆలోచనలే అమ్మ పాటల గెలుపు కలలనే కంటాం మా కలలన్నీ నిజముగా మలిచే శ్రీప్రకాష్ తో మేముంటాం ఈస్ట్కెళ్ళినా వెస్ట్కెళ్ళినా మాతృభూమిని మరువము మేము చల్లగాలితో కబురు పంపితే వార జింపులా వస్తాము ఈ మట్టికి పరిమళమిస్తాము We welcome you to Sri Prakash, our wisdom winner Sri Prakash. We welcome you to Aroma, our joyful Hangama. We welcome you to Sri Prakash, our wisdom winner Sri Prakash. We welcome you to Aroma, our joyful Hangama. నిండి మప్పులో ఉదిగిన వెన్నెల తునకలుగా తడుపుమంటూ నిండు మప్పులో దాగిన వాన చినుకులుగా జారుకుంటూ నిండి మప్పులో ఉదిగిన వెన్నెల తునకలుగా తడుపుమంటూ నిండు మప్పులో దాగిన వాన చినుకులుగా జారుకుంటూ
Namaste. Everything in the universe has rhythm. Everything dances. Indian classical dance is sustained by profound philosophy. Form seeks to merge with the formless. Motion seeks to become a part of the motionless. And the dancing individual seeks to become one with the eternal form of the cosmos.
Yes, indeed. The Almighty, the epitome of love, compassion, and divine playfulness, is not merely a deity, but a boundless reservoir of inspiration. Today, we extend a heartfelt welcome to the very essence of divinity through a dance performance that brings spirituality and devotion to life through expressive gestures and graceful movements. So, get ready for a whirlwind of joy and excitement.
Pani mama, saga nisa pani mama, saga nisa pani mama. Tida daga din tari ki daga din tari ki da tom naach rahe gori tam ti tam teri tari ki daga din tari ki daga din tari ki da tom naach rahe gori tam ti tam teri tari ki daga din tari ki daga din. बाजे पायल कहो झनन झनन बाजे पायल कहो ತದೆ ತಾಂ ದಿತಾಂ ತೈ ತದೆ ಕಿಡದಗದೀಂ ತದೆ
Yes, Chaitra. It's like the ancient recipe for balance and harmony. Did you know that it traces back over 5,000 years in North India?
You're right, Sanjana. Yoga is like the ultimate fusion of asana, pranayama, mudras, pratyahara, and meditation. It's a whole vibe.
Totally. And today we are in for a treat. Our friends from Sri Prakash are about to wow us with their mind-blowing Jaldeep yogic magic with lit candles on their forehead. It's a spectacle.
And hold tight as we flow through these amazing 60 asanas, each one like its own superpower. Now, let me expand yoga. Why Sirshasan? O Chakrasan. G Purna Salabasan. A Titibasan. Relax. They're like keys to a whole new level of Zen.
Absolutely. These poses aren't just stretching. They're like an all-in-one package, keeping everything healthy from organs to mind, boosting memory power and supercharging our willpower.
You got it. It's like a mind and body tune up with these moves. And it's all about control, balance, and mega concentration. Get set for an epic yoga adventure.
So true. Get ready, everyone, to feel the power within. Stay tuned and get ready to discover the yogic magic. It is done with lit candles on their forehead.
Pranamasan, Hastavuttanasana, Vrikshasan, Vayupadasan, Utkatasan, Arjunasan, Adiseshasan, Tadasan, Tiryakatadasan, Udarakarasan, Veerabhadrasan, Ardhachandrasan, Asvasanchalanasan, Upavishtakonasan, Akarna Dhanurasan, Setu Asan, Marichi Asan, Katichakrasan, Ushtrasan, Vajrasan, Shupta Vajrasan, Setu Bandhasan, Chakrasan, Uttanapadasan, Pavanamuktasan, Yoga Nidrasan, Sarvangasan, Ekapada Sarvangasan, change the leg, Baddha Kona Sarvangasan, Padma Sarvangasan, Baddha Padma Sarvangasan, Ekapada Halasan, Halasan, Karnapedasan, Niralambasan, Advasan, Jaishtakasan, Makarasan, Parivritanaukasan, Salabasan, Sarpasan, Dhanurasan, Bhujangasan, Parvatasan, Dhrutahalasan, Shavasan, Laghuchatara Parivartanasan, Naukasan, Dandasan, Padmasan, Uttita Padmasan, Garbhasan, Vakrasan, Ardhamaschendrasan, Gomukhasan, Veerasan, Garudasan, Natarajasan, Natavarasan, Pranamasan. Relax.
These asanas complete an entire exercise module. They keep all the organs and tissues healthy and help in keeping one's mind stable, improves the memory power and willpower.
Yes, they keep the mind alert at all times. This practice improves the power of control, balance, and concentration levels. Well, I hope all of you have enjoyed and experienced the power within. Thank you for watching us.
Feel a certain connection, and I do understand that this is part of meditation and it must be really having a good impact in the human body, mind, soul and spirit. So for me this was truly amazing, and I just want to say thank you so much for making me experience that. And I also thought the boys that they were a bit of magicians, because there was a time they turned around and I thought, oh my God, where did the candle go? Is it still on? I kept on asking, where's the candle? Are they still holding it with their legs? So I was like, wow, this is really great. Thank you so much. It's been a great experience.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you for showing this show. Actually, we do yoga daily. I think I'm into yoga almost around 14 years. Yeah, it controls your mind. For the student, it must actually. It will give you a good concentration and focus on your work better than others. People who do yoga, they do better focus and better concentrated. So everybody should do. All the kids should go into yoga. It is our traditional art. Not art, we can say. It is one of the good thing for India. Actually, India has given to the world. Now the yoga day is celebrated everywhere in June 21st. Thank you for Prakash for showing this for everybody, especially for the international guests. Thank you, Amma. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Let's embrace the sacred aura of devotion and grace.
Krishna, the playful cowherd of Vrindavan, has always been a source of inspiration and joy.
Whether it's his melodious flute, his playful Ras Leelas, or his profound teachings in the Bhagavad Gita, Lord Krishna had touched the hearts of millions.
To celebrate his divine essence, we have a mesmerizing dance performance that captures the beauty, charm, and playful spirit of Krishna.
Prepare to witness vibrant expressions, rhythmic moves, and a soulful connection to the celestial.
So, without further ado, let us welcome our talented performers to the stage.
Please put your hands together for Krishna dance as they present a beautiful dance dedicated to Lord Krishna.
Let's encourage them with a big round of applause.
राधा
something truly special in store for you. As we gather here, we are going to embark on a journey of inspiration, resilience, and leadership, traits that have changed the lives of millions.
Before we get into it, let's set the stage for something that might surprise you. There's a big picture being painted here, and while you won't know who it is just yet, let's say this individual has been a beacon of integrity, vision, and determination. Stay tuned as the story unfolds.
That's right. Over the next few minutes, we will reveal more and more about this masterpiece. It's a drawing that represents not just a person, but an entire legacy, a journey of innovation and leadership that has touched countless lives.
But here's the twist. We won't tell you who it is until you can see the big picture yourself. Trust us, when you figure it out, you'll be as inspired as we are.
Go ahead, take a moment to think about it. What kind of leader would inspire a masterpiece like this? And remember, we are revealing the story of a person who has shaped industries, transformed lives, and created a legacy that goes beyond the corporate world.
The first strokes have been added. The journey has begun.
As the artwork is in progress, let's get to know about his personal life.
Born to Nawal and Sunu on 28 December 1937, this benevolent man and his younger brother Jimmy were brought up by their grandmother Nawajbai in downtown Mumbai.
He was schooled at Campion and then at Cathedral and John Connon, both in Mumbai, where he spent the last 3 of his schooling years. Already, he was well on his way to becoming the person he became later.
He then went to the Cornell University in the United States, where he studied architecture and structural engineering. His education in architecture provided him with the equipment to be a perceptive business leader.
As an architect, he designed a house for his mother and a board in Alibag and his own seafront home in Mumbai.
A teetotaler and a non-smoker, he consciously chose to stay single.
Flying aircrafts, fast cars, and scuba diving were his enduring passions. An US auto giant had once humiliated him, stating that he was clueless about passenger car segment and so should not venture into the car segment. Years later, when the same auto giant declared bankruptcy, he bought 2 iconic car brands of the same auto giant. Not only that, his fondness for his German shepherds, Tito and Tango, was boundless. Here is an interesting story which portrays his love for his pet dogs. He was invited to the UK by Prince Charles to felicitate him for his philanthropy work, an award under the auspice of the British Asia Trust. However, he cancelled the meeting just a few hours before the actual time, as one of his pet dogs was sick. Tango and Tito, one of my pet dogs, have fallen terribly ill. I can't leave them alone and come. Later, when Prince Charles came to know of his reason to cancel the meeting, the UK royal was in awe of him. That's a man. That's the man he is. That's why this corporate house is what it is. That's why it's on a stable course.
While the artwork is still in progress, let's listen to a melodious tune by our talented Prakashites.
चलो रे तबे एकला चलो रे যদি তেরো দাক্ষিণী কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি তেরো দাক্ষিণী কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে বাগা একলা বলো রে যদি দেন দাক্ষিণে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি দেন দাক্ষিণে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি সবাই ফিরে যায় ওরে ওরে ও বাগা সবাই ফিরে যায় যদি গোহান পদে যাবার কালে কেউ ফিরে না চায় যদি গোহান পদে যাবার কালে কেউ ফিরে না চায় তবে পতার কথা তমকা চরণ তোলে একলা ডোলো রে যদি কেউ দাক্ষিণে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি কেউ দাক্ষিণে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি আলো না ধরে ওরে ওরে ও বাগা আলো না ধরে যদি জোর বদলে আদালতে ডুয়ার দেয় করে যদি জোর বদলে আদালতে ডুয়ার দেয় করে তবে বজ্রডলে প্রাণ বুকের পাজর জ্বালিয়ে নিয়ে একলা জ্বলো রে যদি তেরো দাক্ষিণে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে যদি তেরো দাক্ষিণে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে তবে একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো একলা চলো রে যদি তেরো দাক্ষিণে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে একলা চলো রে একলা চলো রে
Thank you, Prakashites, for the melodious tune.
Let's look at how far the drawing has progressed.
I'm sure you all can identify a few familiar face features. And not only that, it looks like this man has got himself a new dress. While the artwork is still in progress, let's get to know more about his personality.
His sultry nature, humility, and intense effort to shun the arc lights made him seem almost invisible in any gathering. He was known for his empathetic nature and utmost humility, so much so that he was often spotted sitting right next to his driver in the car, which reflected his values and beliefs of equality and treating everyone with respect.
He has been a torchbearer to Transformer, who played Shepherd and Sentinel while guiding a renowned corporate group into a new age.
He changed the corporate group for the better in more substantial a manner than any of the luminaries, under whose care the organization evolved since its inception in 1868.
He embraced the prospect of taking the organization to foreign shores. He made it more cohesive, introduced fresh thinking, fostered innovation, and sparked in his charges an appetite for calculated risk-taking that appears in hindsight truly extraordinary.
He was offered a job in 1962 with one of the leading industries before joining Tisco in 1963.
In 1971, he was named director in charge of National Radio and Electronics, better known as NELCO, an ailing electronics enterprise.
2000 onwards, the growth and globalization of a leading corporate group gathered pace under his stewardship, and the new millennium now sees a string of high-profile acquisitions, among them Tetley, Chorus, Jaguar, Land Rover, Brannaman, Jindal Industrial Chemical Products, and Daewoo.
In 2008, he launched a trailblazing small car project which took the nation by storm.
In the same year, he was awarded the Padma Vibhushan, the country's second highest civilian honor.
December 2012, he stepped down as chairman of the Global Corporate Group. His group took over an ailing and loss-making airline in 2022 and is currently working towards restoring the airline to its former glory.
In July 2024, he started the small animal hospital with 200 beds and advanced equipment in Mahalakshmi, Mumbai, showing his enduring love for animals.
His commitment to nation development and his belief that businesses must serve the greater good has left an indelible mark on us. In the gruesome 26/11 Mumbai attack, 80 employees of an iconic hotel were affected, and he showed his compassion by personally visiting each of the 80 employees who were affected by the terrorist attacks. Not only that, his group supported each of the family and financed the children's education.
As the drawing has now taken shape substantially, we're sure you're starting to see some familiar features. We're about to hit a turning point in this artwork, and it might be the moment you recognize who this is.
Keep your eyes on the details, as soon the full picture will be revealed. This person, whose presence in the business world has inspired change on a global scale, embodies values of trust, responsibility, and visionary leadership.
Are you ready to know who this is? He has been the doyen of Indian industry.
A businessman by profession, a philanthropist at heart.
He's a global symbol of integrity and vision, the true son of the soil.
But before we reveal it to you, do you want to know a few more interesting facts about this person? That's what I thought. Let's get to know a little bit more about him before we reveal who it is.
This is a quote said by him.
Wait. We are so excited to share that the big picture is none other than the incredible... Louder! I can't hear you. That's right. This picture is none other than the incredible Ratan Tata, a man who's not only revolutionized the way we view business, but has also made a lasting impact on society with his deep commitment to nation, ethics, social responsibility, and above all, compassion.
Mr. Ratan Tata has shown us how leadership can truly make the world a better place.
These are the wise words said by Mr. Ratan Tata. Leadership is about taking responsibility, not making excuses.
Thank you, Mr. Tata, for being the epitome of grace, leadership, and compassion. Let us all take inspiration from his legacy and continue striving for excellence in everything we do. Thank you, audience, for your enthusiastic responses. Now I call upon our honorable dignitaries and our beloved director, sir, onto the stage to bless our talented Prakashites.
Before you announce, we came.
Yeah. I feel honored to speak about the great personality Ratan Tata because I worked in the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research for 40 years. And I have seen him very closely. In fact, I was given a watch by the previous chairman of Tata Sons, J.R.D. Tata. And we had an opportunity to meet him every year on 30th October, which happens to be the birthday of Homi Bhabha. We have the annual day celebration both in TIFR and in BIRC, where as the chairman of the council of TIFR, he attends the function. What I have noticed here is that this was a teamwork. Not one person drew it. It was a teamwork. If you remember, I had referred to 21st century skills in my lecture. And teamwork is an important aspect of 21st century skill. I recall
people asked Bill Gates and other big people who were recruiting persons for their companies, a journalist asked them, what do you actually see when you select a person? And they said, we ensure that this person has the capacity and interest to work with others. This is called teamwork. And 21st century says you should have a teamwork. And this is what we have seen here. All these boys and girls have worked together in coordination. I was hoping at some stage they will say, oh, you're duro jao. No, nothing happened. They were doing their work. The second thing that I have noticed is that they have drawn the picture inverted. In fact, when I saw that inverted T, I was to stand up and say, you have drawn it wrongly. Then I realized that no, it is my perception. They are actually drawing it in the inverse direction, which is also a great thing to happen. And one more thing which I would like to tell you is that presenting such activities in the annual function, I have never seen. I have attended large number of annual functions. In fact, I am a celebrity in Maharashtra. I am invited at various places. Attended so many functions. Nowhere they have attended this because it could be boring. What they have done is, they have arranged a song here so that you are busy. At the same time, they have arranged to see you how their action goes. And one thing you must have noticed, that there was a tremendous coordination, that everyone finished their work at a particular time. No one said, oh, wait, I have to do something. No, everyone had the coordination. So I could see the cooperation, I could see the coordination, I could see the visualization, how the entire picture would be there. And therefore, this was a great event, and this is a great learning opportunity for all of us. Thank you very much.
Dr. Sudhakar Aggarkar hasn't left much for the rest of us to say. I was going to say exactly the same thing. I've never seen anything like this before. I've seen people individually create art in real time on the stage, but never a group, and never inverted, and never something of this magnitude and complexity. I think you're brilliant. Well done, well done. The art, the work, and also the cooperation, as was said. Thank you.
I think this just reflects what we've seen in the last day with cooperation, community and talent. And it's been pretty obvious and massive. And I congratulate everybody here that did the artwork, but also all of the artists that were here and performing on the stage. You have a lot to celebrate with Indian culture, and you have a lot of great Indian heroes you can talk about and draw and write about. So congratulations, thank you.
I wanted to speak you in the last.
Just as Agrakarji and Dr. Green had said, 21st century is nothing but skills. Maybe AI, maybe technology, maybe anything. But believe me, children, this is a lovely combination to show what it goes to celebrate a doyen of industry, doyen of art, craft amongst yourselves, and each one of you that you are here, this is an attribute that you must learn in life. And congratulations to the artists, congratulations to everybody in this school, and congratulations to the leadership. Thank you.
Thank you for giving me the opportunity. I think I just want to say that
For the first time, I've been traveling around India, and this time, wherever I went, I kept on seeing and hearing tata, 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 and I was like, what is this tata, tata, tata? What is happening? Tata perfume, tata this, tata that. And now I had the opportunity to see the man behind it. So I'm really grateful. That's the first thing I want to say. I'm really amazed. Thank you. And once more again, when they started drawing this beautiful artwork, I thought, there they go again, magicians. Who draws upside down? And the boys and girls did it. And then another thing, you said something very powerful, Doctor. He talked about teamwork. For me, this is something that we're trying, I personally, and many others, obviously, in South Africa, I'm trying specifically to instill back this amazing skill of teamwork. Because we've always asked each other as in Africa, the only time we deal with teamwork, it's when we play sports. We're always together. We come together as South Africans. I'm sure you know about our rugby, you know about our cricket, you know about our soccer games. You were just singing Waka Waka just today. And that's when we come together. But when it comes to business, it's all about me, 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 me. And this has destroyed many Africans because nobody wants to work with the other. Everybody, it's all about me. I want to shine. It's me, it's me, it's me. But what you are doing in this school, sir, I will tell you, it's really amazing. This is the age that we should begin instilling this amazing art, not only art, knowledge, skill of team building. This is really amazing. And you boys and girls, you did it so well. I'm really impressed. There's another thing that I wanted to say. Let me remember. Da-da-da-da-dun. Can somebody remind me? I know you can't remind me. But most of all, yes, now I remember. You see the da-da-da-da-da works. I'm also a magician. This is the same skill I use when I train architectures, because there's what we call storytelling in architecture. You'll have a musician, you'll have a storyteller. That was amazing. And then you'll have someone drawing. And then I'm not going to tell you everything, but this was almost the same skills or technique that I used to stimulate the imagination of architects to come up with new buildings. So thank you so much. You demonstrated it well. Well done, magicians. Thank you.
The traditional aspects of the Indian culture has been the trend in our present times. Right, Aishwarya?
Yes, we have been highlighting them in various aspects of life, especially in movies. You must have heard of a recent Telugu blockbuster.
Indeed, the Eye the Buddha sequence is people's favorite, beautifully illustrating how we auspiciously give importance to our heritage.
Well, let's experience it again, shall we?
Come on, audience, and cheer on!
Brave boys are ready to mesmerize you
With their dance performance!
Hi, come, be a part of the party and join me in dancing on a Gone song.
Gone song? I heard that. But what are you doing is not Gone dance. I think it's called flamingo dance.
Yes, a flamingo dance on a Gone song. Isn't it interesting?
Can't wait to watch that. So dear audience, get ready to be mesmerized by the graceful dancers.
Now, audience, let's give a warm welcome to our beautiful dancers as they bring the vibrant dance onto our stage. Thank you.
Are we ready to dive into the colorful, vibrant spirit of India tonight?
Absolutely. And what better way to celebrate than with a performance that's full of energy, grace, and tradition, straight from the heart of Gujarat.
Yes, you guessed it. We are talking about Dolida, a performance that celebrates joy, unity, and the richness of Gujarat.
Garbha, as you know, is not just a dance. It's an emotion, a tradition, and an explosion of color and rhythm. And the song, Dholida, takes it to the next level with its electrifying beats.
Dolida directly calls upon the dole players, urging them to play louder, faster, and more passionately, setting the rhythm for the community to unite in dance.
Tonight, we'll see the very energy unfold right before us.
So, get ready to be mesmerized by the beauty of swirling lehengas, the sound of clapping sticks, and the symphony of joyous beats.
As the performers take you on a journey of melody and rhythm, let's all be transported to the heart of Gujarat. So, presenting you a spectacular performance of Dholida. Let's welcome the dancers with a huge round of applause.
ढोलीड़ा ढोलीड़ा सैयर मारी सैयर रे ही चले घर में घूमो ढोलीड़ा ना ढोल बाजा धम 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 धमक धम ढोलीड़ा धम धम धमक बजे ढोलीड़ा धम धम धमक बजे ढोलीड़ा धम धम धमक बजे गज गज रे ढोल पे हवा ढोलीड़ा धम धम धमक बजे बिगड़ा जाए जरा जरा दिल मेरा खुल के नाचूं शर्माए दिल मेरा कैसे समझो उड़ गया होश सारा छाया छाया रे ढोल पे नशा बिगड़ा जाए जरा जरा दिल मेरा खुल के नाचूं शर्माए दिल मेरा कैसे समझो उड़ गया होश सारा छाया छाया रे ढोल पे नशा ढोलीड़ा धम धम धमक बजे ढोलीड़ा धम धम धमक बजे ढोलीड़ा धम धम धमक बजे गज गज रे ढोल पे हवा ढोलीड़ा धम धम धमक बजे ढोलीड़ा धम धम धमक बजे ढोलीड़ा धम धम धमक बजे गज गज रे ढोल पे हवा मारी मारी कप्पर मारी आरा सिंहा अमराजे आवा गणना डूंगर मारी आकारी तारा डंका बाजे
मारी तारू रूप निरालू मारी रूप न तू अंबर ए चंदा सूरज तारा दिया गाए तारा गुण हजार खम्मा खम्मा मारी मावरली तुझे जगदी तारण यार ए ज्योति लाना डूंगर वाली चंडी चामुंडा बिरदारी ए चंडी चामुंडा बिरदारी
ए मावड़ी रम माया बजो ए गान पे झीलुआ ढोलीड़ा
Namaste. My identity, my love, my pride. My nation to me is my whole world.
That's truly inspiring, Akshita. As someone once said, our flag doesn't fly because the wind blows it, it flies with the last breath of every soldier who tried protecting it. we are able to live happily and peacefully in the comforts of our homes today because of the freedom fighters who laid down their lives and brave soldiers who still continue to guard our borders. They are the ones who sacrifice their days and their dreams for the safety of our country and a brighter tomorrow.
This performance will embody the essence of our rich heritage, the sacrifices made by our heroes, and the unity that binds us as one nation.
So without any further delay, let us give a warm welcome to our talented Prakashites as they tell you the story of a nation that stands tall, a country that cherishes its past and looks forward for a brighter and a promising future.
हर घर तिरंगा, हर घर तिरंगा, घर घर तिरंगा, रथ घर तिरंगा, घरों घरी तिरंगा, प्रत्येक घरी तिरंगा। आसमान को पाना है, आसमान से आगे जाना है।
नए भारत की नई कहानी अब आसमां को सुनाना है।
गर्व है इस तिरंगे पर, सारे जहां को ये दिखाएंगे।
अमृत काल मनाएंगे, घर घर तिरंगा लहराएंगे।
घर घर तिरंगा, हर घर तिरंगा, हिम तिरंगा झंडा, मने मने गु त्रिवर्णा।
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले।
जय हो, जय हो।
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले।
जय हो, जय हो, जय हो।
सच्ची मैंने जान गवाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है। अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी, गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है।
आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले, आजा सारी वाले नीले आसमान के तले।
जय हो,
शोपेगा
जय हो,
कॉमेडी
जय हो,
कॉमेडी
जय हो।
रेगोदी Ahora conmigo, tú baila para hoy, por nuestro día, te olvidas los problemas, lo que sea. ¡Salud! ¡Baila, baila!
जय हो, जय हो,
कब से हाँ कब से जो लब पे रुकी है, क्या कहते हाँ कह दे, अब आँख झुकी है। क्या कहते ऐसी ऐसी रोशन आंखें रोशन, दो दो हीरे है क्या। गाजा गाजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले,